Viewer from Bemidji wants to talk about competing states. How much does or should Minnesota consider what the states around us are doing with regard to budgeting and taxes? Do businesses and individuals make decisions based on tax rates? Controversial topic. Peter Nelson at the Center for the American Experiment has done some interesting work here. He would say there's some evidence that they do. What do you think?
Well, let me talk first as a former business person. And, one of the things I learned both in private practice of law and in running a business is that you look at taxes. That is a factor you consider. But I would submit that, as a business person, you look first of all at your employees. It really is, it's your employees that manufacture or provide the service that you're selling. And they're the ones you want to make sure that they're paid sufficiently. You want to make sure that they're trained and educated and they have health care. You want to make sure that you're in a state that's got a transportation system. You can get your product or your service delivered. So there are so many things that go into where you conduct business. And, Minnesota has been the 5th fastest growing economy in the last few years. So one of the things as a business person, you want to be in an economy that's growing and that's expanding. And even if the tax is a little bit higher, it's better than being a state with a flat growth projection because you want to be where business is growing. So no one can deny that, smart business people look at taxes, they look at health care, they look at employee wages, they look at everything. And I think that's one of the things I learned in running a business. It's a very tough job running a business. You have to consider all those things. But you do look at states around you, and then one of the things that's so interesting when you compare Minnesota to Wisconsin, for example, right now, you see the dramatic growth that we're having and the fact that our budget is balanced and we have a surplus projected or forecast balance projected, whereas Wisconsin's got a couple $2 billion deficit, I think, at this point, and they're having to cut potentially in higher education. So I think, choices do matter, and, we believe that we've made the right choices to grow our revenue stream enough to support the education and infrastructure. But I really believe that businesses, in the end, look at the quality of a state and what does that state have to offer, and do the benefits outweigh the taxes or whatever else there might be.